Same text, same element, same CSS color. Dark on light, light on dark, automatically. No JavaScript, no media query, no conditional logic. Mix blend mode. Difference. One line. Infinite contrast. Mix blend mode controls how an element's pixels combine with the pixels behind it. The browser takes the element's color and the background color and runs them through a blending formula. Difference is the most dramatic. It inverts the element's color based on what's behind it. White text on a white background becomes black. White text on a black background stays white. Every color in between is the mathematical difference between the two. This is how you get text that's always readable, on any background, with zero logic. Screen is the additive blend. Dark areas become transparent. Light areas add together and get brighter. Perfect for glowing orbs, light leaks, and neon effects. Stack multiple screen-blended orbs on a dark background. The dark parts vanish, and the overlapping light areas add up. That's how you build atmospheric light effects. Multiply is the opposite. White becomes transparent. Dark colors multiply with the background. Use it to blend textures or images on top of a color. One critical detail. By default blend modes, blend with everything, all the way down to the page background. Use isolation. Isolate on the parent to contain the blend to just that element's group. Difference, screen, multiply, overlay. 4 blend modes, each one a different math formula, each one capable of effects that look like they need Photoshop, built in pure CSS.